In this video, I'll show you how to install FiveM for GTA 5 Enhanced. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you're playing GTA 5 Enhanced and want to join roleplay, racing, drifting, free roam, zombie survival, or other custom multiplayer servers, you'll first need to install the enhanced version of FiveM. Unlike the original FiveM client that's designed for GTA 5 Legacy, this version is built specifically for GTA 5 Enhanced. The installation process is quick and straightforward, but before we get started, there are a couple of things you'll need. First, make sure you own a legitimate copy of GTA 5 Enhanced and that you've launched the game at least once before installing FiveM. This allows Rockstar Games Launcher to complete the initial setup and verify the game installation. Second, obviously, you'll need a Rockstar Games account, since you'll be asked to sign in during the installation process. Finally, make sure you have a stable internet connection because the first time you launch FiveM, you need to download additional files before everything is ready. So to start, you can open up your browser and we're gonna download the installer. You can go to fivem.net, just type it in, or just search FiveM on Google. This website will appear at the top, or you can also click the link in the description of this video. And once you're here, instead of clicking download here, you're gonna scroll down and look for FiveM for GTA 5 Enhanced. This is still early access, so probably not as many features as the original FiveM client. So now just hit download and then you're gonna save it somewhere in your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder, hit save, and the download will start. After that, go to your downloads folder and now you'll have the setup. Just double click on it to open it up and open up the setup. Here you'll have two options. You can just install it normally, or if you want to install it on a custom path, you can select custom setup. But here I recommend you just to click install. It'll start downloading some necessary files. Wait for it to finish. After the download, you'll be asked to sign in to your Rockstar account. So just go ahead and sign in. It'll start to download some files again. And after the installation, FiveM will launch. The first time you open it, you'll see the terms of service. You can read through it. And if you accept, you can hit I accept. And we're in. Now you can link your account by signing in with CFX account. If you don't have it, you can register. Or for now, you can skip it and do it later. Alright, inside FiveM, just like the original FiveM, you can browse servers. Just click here and there's many servers you can join. Not as many as the original FiveM, but it keeps updating. So at the top, you can filter out the server by languages and tags. So for example, you want to play in a roleplay server, you can just type it in on the search bar and look for the server you want to play. Now, if you just want to check if everything works properly, you can try to connect to FiveM test server. Now to connect to the server, just hit connect. It'll start connecting and downloading some necessary files. If the game build is different, it will revert or update it automatically. After the loading is done, it will launch GTA 5 with FiveM. And there we go. We are in a FiveM enhanced server. Now, if you want to join a roleplay server, it might need some time to download all of these servers' custom content, such as vehicles, maps, clothing, scripts, and other resources. So depending on the size of the server, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Also, make sure you've launched GTA 5 Enhanced at least once before you're connecting to a server. And yeah, that's basically it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.